Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. In today's class, we will learn important topics of maths, which is median. So now let's first learn how to find median. At first, we need to arrange the data. Here it is written first, list all the data points in order either from the smallest to largest, ascending, or largest to smallest, descending. Now, imagine a set of data is given to you, but that is not arranged. So the first step is you need to arrange the data in ascending order and descending order. I suggest you should arrange the data in ascending order. Then odd number observations. You need to observe that how much odd numbers are there, like how many data are there, the number of data. If the number of data is 30, that is even number data. If the data of number of data is 29, that is odd number data. If the data set has an odd number of observations, the median is the value that is exactly in the middle. That means if the data is odd number, then the median will be the middle, actually the middle number. Example, for the data set 379, the median is 7. Even number of observations. If the data set has an even number of observations, the median is the average of two middle values. Example, for the data set 2479, the median is 4 plus 7 by 2 equals to 5.5. Here, at first you need to sum the two middle numbers in a even number data. That means here we can see the even number data is 2479. So at first you need to sum 4 plus 7, then you need to find the mean of that data. And 4 plus 7 equals to 11, and the mean of the data is 5.5. Then in the next page we can see key characteristics. So at first there is robustness. The median is less affected by our outliers or extreme values compared to the mean. This makes it a good measure of central tendency when dealing with skewed distributions. Applications. The median is widely used in fields like economics, finance, and social sciences, particularly when data is not symmetrically distributed. That means the median is usually used in the science, in science or in finance or economy. Then in the next page we can see example. At first, the first example is income distribution. Suppose we have the following annual incomes of 5 individuals: $30,000, $35,000, $40,000, $45,000, and $100,000. At first we need to arrange the data in ascending order. So for arranging the data in ascending order, you need to arrange the data from the smallest to biggest. So the smallest number has $30,000, then $35,000, then $40,000, then $45,000, then $100,000. Median. The middle value here is $40,000, so the median income is $40,000, because there are only, you can see the amount of number, it's an odd number observation, so the middle value will be the median income. The insight is, despite the presence of an outlier, the $1 lakh income, the median gives a better idea of the typical income that the mean would, which would be skewed higher by the outlier. Then the next example is test scores. Here it is written, a class of 10 students has the following test scores: 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So at first, we need to arrange the data in ascending order. So you can see that data is arranged in ascending order. So since the data is an even number of students, the median is the average of 5th and 6th score. Here the math will be, the sum will be 75 plus 80 by 2 equals to 77.5. Here 75 plus 80 by 2 equals to 77.5. Now again 75 plus 80 by 2 equals to 77.5. Here the median will be 77.5 as per as the math. Then the insight is, the median score is 77.5, giving a central point of distribution without being influenced by any extremely high or low scores. You can just imagine median is similar to mean, but it is not same as mean. Then visual example. Now let's learn the visual example of median. Imagine a small town with the following ages: 2, 5, 9, 10, 12, 14, 35, 40, 42 and 85. The median age would be the average of 5th and 6th ages, which are 12 and 14, giving a median age of 13. This median gives a better sense of the middle age in the town than the mean, which would be higher due to the presence of an 85-year-old. Then in the next page we will learn the importance of median. Why use the median? The median is particularly useful in non-symmetric distributions where the mean might not accurately represent the central tendency. That means if the data is too big, like there are 100 numbers in a data, 100 just number of income in a data, then it will be so hard to find the mean actually. Then it's preferred to measure in fields dealing with income, wealth, or any other heavily skewed data. As I said before, median is usually used in field of income, wealth, or any other field of just science and many more things, as it provides a more accurate pictures of the typical case. So that's it about today's class. But before ending the class, let's review what we learned in today's class. So at first we learned what is median, how to find the median. Then we learned key characteristics of the median. Then we learned the example of median. The first example was income distribution. The second example was test scores, and the third example was visual example. Then we learned the importance of median. So in the next class of median, we will learn about some problems solved by median, the difference between median and mean. So I think that's it about today's class, everyone. Thanks for watching.